Here I have a Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to use camera timer on this device. So first of all, you have to open camera, and here on this top bar, here you can see the third icon is the timer for camera. You can set it for 3 seconds, for 10 seconds. Let's set it for 3 seconds and try to make a photo. And as you can see, it works pretty well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.